Imagine this. You earn money every month. You pay your bills, buy groceries, maybe treat yourself occasionally. But at the end of the month, your account balance is low or even empty. This doesn't mean you're failing. It just means your money management could improve. This is where personal finance comes in. Personal finance is about how you manage your money in daily life. It's not about becoming rich overnight. It's about understanding your income, your spending, and your saving patterns. There are four main areas in personal finance. First, earning the money you receive from your job, business, or other sources. Second, saving, setting aside a portion of your income for future needs. Third, investing, using your money to grow over time through legal and responsible means. Fourth, spending wisely, prioritizing expenses so your money is used effectively. Many people focus only on earning more. They think, if I earn more, my problems will disappear. But often, even people with higher incomes still face challenges. Why? Because their spending increases along with their income. This is called lifestyle inflation. For example, when someone earns more, they may upgrade their phone, buy a new car, or dine out more often. Their expenses grow and saving becomes harder. A simple way to manage money better is to follow this rule: income minus savings equals expenses. This means you save a portion of your income first, then spend the rest. For example, if you earn $1,000 a month, typical approach: spend $950 on bills, shopping, and daily needs, and save $50. Recommended approach: save $200 first. You now have $800 for expenses, which you plan carefully. Over time, even small amounts add up and create financial stability. Remember? Personal finance is not about earning more money immediately. It's about understanding and managing what you already have. If you can manage your money responsibly today, you can apply the same habits to larger amounts in the future. Money doesn't stay with the person who earns the most. It stays with the person who understands it, manages it, and plans for it. Ask yourself today, am I just earning money, or am I managing it responsibly? Financial health is a gradual process. By saving regularly, spending mindfully, and learning how to manage your resources, you can create a more stable financial future. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage it.